Available driver profiles retain memory settings to provide a tailored experience for each driver. Before setting a profile, adjust or select all of the variables to be saved. These features may include climate control, the central locking system, interior and exterior lighting, driver assistance features, seat, mirror and steering wheel position, MMI features, the heads-up display, and the instrument cluster layout. Once the desired adjustments are made, select User, then Profile Selection. Active profiles will be listed along with empty profile assignments. Choose the profile number to be set. Now select Apply. The settings will be saved to this profile assignment. If this is the first time this profile assignment has been selected, the configuration wizard will run to assist in personalizing the vehicle. Some options in the configuration wizard can be skipped and set up later. Select the language. Then choose a name for the profile using the lower touchscreen. As characters are entered, name suggestions appear. Select the appropriate name. An option to set up a telephone will appear. To do this later, select Skip. An option to connect to the My Audi app is presented. This too can be set up at a later time in the configuration wizard. The driver profile is now saved. When the vehicle is locked with the key fob currently in use, these settings will be saved to that key fob. The next time the vehicle is unlocked with that key, the profile associated with that key will load automatically. While a profile is active, the profile number will appear next to the profile icon in the notification center. If no number appears next to the icon, the guest profile is active. If no icon appears, profiles are switched off. If a different saved profile is desired, select User from the home screen and then the profile selection. Choose the desired profile and follow system prompts. When the ignition is turned off and the vehicle is locked with a key, this profile will be saved to the key fob. If changes were made to any storable settings, they will also be saved to this profile. The guest profile can be used to adjust settings in the vehicle without changing other profiles. Adjust the desired features and select the guest profile. This profile will not be saved to the key when the ignition is turned off. To rename, delete, or move a profile, press the profile icon in the profile selections. Select the current profile, then Apply Settings. Options to rename, copy, or reset the profile will be presented. Make the desired changes, then overwrite the existing profile. The current settings will be retained along with the changes.